Today, on Better Sleep, we're explaining sleep cycles, REM sleep, light, and deep NREM sleep. Your sleep isn't one long state. It happens in repeating cycles throughout the night. Each sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes. Most people go through 4 to 6 sleep cycles every night. Each cycle includes light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Let's start with deep sleep. Deep sleep is when your body does most of its physical repair. During deep sleep, muscles recover and tissues heal. Your immune system also strengthens during deep sleep. This stage is hardest to wake up from. Deep sleep mostly happens in the first half of the night. Now let's cover REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. REM sleep is when most dreaming happens. During REM sleep, your brain is very active. This stage supports memory, learning, and emotional processing. REM sleep helps your brain organize information from the day. REM sleep increases later in the night. That's why early wake-ups reduce REM sleep the most. Both deep sleep and REM sleep are essential. Deep sleep restores the body. REM sleep restores the mind. Missing either one can affect mood, focus, and health. Consistent sleep schedules help protect your sleep cycles. Late nights and irregular sleep can disrupt deep and REM sleep. Getting enough total sleep gives your body time to transition from awake, light, deep and REM to complete full sleep cycles. That's why quality sleep matters just as much as quantity. In the next chapter, we'll explore why you can wake up tired, even after 8 hours. Subscribe, save and like to Better Sleep for more science-backed sleep advice.